It is minus 19 degrees outside and the world is frozen. But the ducks don't seem to mind. They enjoy the sunny day like there is no tomorrow. I came here to slow down, to spend a moment with these fellows and to see if a small piece of art can find its place in the world today. I come here every now and then with my small mixed media artworks and I photograph them as a part of the landscape. Sometimes they create interesting conversations with each other, the artworks and this local nature. Sometimes I just freeze my fingers and find no connection at all. But that's also something I enjoy. Exploring, wondering, and searching for connections. In the studio, the work doesn't need to belong anywhere just yet. It can stay unfinished, and I can stay unfinished as well. I warm up by sketching for a moment, and today I have these random brush marks to work with. I used this sketchbook to wipe my dirty brushes before washing them. I'm not too precious with my sketchbooks because I'm merely searching for looseness and play. Sometimes it means making a huge mess and sometimes turning a new page in my seasonal studies. Right now I'm really enjoying all these browns, yellows and blues in the landscape, and it shows in my work. I love the long strands of grass by the river that looks like long golden locks of Mother Earth. Sometimes I find it a bit difficult to show my process on YouTube, because most of my artworks take such a long time to finish. And some of them never get finished at all, and I end up starting over. But I want to leave room for slowness, for things that take time. We are so used to everything being instant now, ordered, streamed, delivered without waiting. And sometimes I forget how much my body needs a different pace. How much a slow process can soften something inside. Lately it's been hard to find the energy to paint. My body is still adjusting to the changing light and it shows up as exhaustion. Even when I have the time after work, my body just feels completely drained. This happens every spring and I know it will pass. It is still a bit hard to be patient with it. In days like these, when I'm surrounded by unfinished paintings, I often feel quite restless. There are mysteries to solve, but I'm missing an important clue. Sometimes this phase can last for quite some time, and suddenly multiple paintings get finished all at once. But I'm not there yet. So I'm moving paint around and searching for that important clue. a connection that takes my mind back to the riverside. Lately I've been spending more time with my plants again. The weather might be freezing outdoors, but my houseplants have started to wake up from their winter rest. There are a few that need a bit more care soon, new soil, a little attention. And I think that will be my next slow project.